foundation. See, I don't believe those should be interchangeable, but okay. So there's a pink and there's a peach, and you can use both. I'm going to start with this peachy color, to be honest. And you only do the apples of your cheeks, they say. I also say blend it up a little so it looks like it's part of the contouring that you've done. Like that, real quick. I also do some on the bridge of my nose. And the front part of the U, I say right here, that you just did to put in contour and it's brown, I wouldn't use just brown. I would blend some of the blushy color in to everywhere you contoured. Not much. This pink is very pink, so I'm gonna, yeah, and I'm gonna be in public again today, so don't overdo it. No, I feel like that's enough. Now I'm gonna try to use the back or side of that to kind of blend that out a little bit, and it feels a little too much. There, it's coming together, y'all. And it also says we are now going to go to our foundation stage, or they call the blender. And so that's these two colors. And I don't really know which would be. I would say if you're going to dust off your whole face, I would start with the lighter under here, which you do want to do. All ladies, especially if you're older, but even you young gals, blend out in front of everything you just did and blend back to it. Down here, it actually, look how it gives you a facelift when you put a lighter color down here. Also, you want to dust off all that concealer that you used so that it doesn't look orangey. Alright, and then I also came on a chin and in front of the blush and blending back under her nose. Here. And then also the forehead. Yeah. How's it look? I don't know. Oh, and it also says if you want to, you can use this little square here. That's the shimmer. And I would kind of flatten that down a little bit to get some on there. And only don't get on your crow's feet. Go behind them. Like that. If you want to put on shimmer, don't put it right on your crow's feet. Like they say, right around the eye. No. Come below the crow's feet like that. Make your little C. Tip the end of your nose. You can dust the nose bone right on either the front part of your brow right there. And then the top of your chin. And Cupid's bow. There. That's enough. So what do y'all think? If you also wanted to, you could use your pinky in there. If you like a good bit of shimmer for the inner corner, which I do. And put it there. It's a good shimmer for the inner corner, y'all. And you can use any leftover right under the arch of the brow. Yeah, looks good. So that's the final look. Now, some of you may say, well, Beth, that's not a final look for sure. It's not. You need lipstick. And now it does come with this lip gloss, so I'll put that over my lipstick I have on my Chanel. The bad thing about putting lip gloss over lipstick is the gloss is oil, and so it is going to break down that lipstick, and it gives a terrible effect, so that's not good, actually. What do I think? I think this is definitely a good starter for people, number one. Very, very good starter. I like the brushes. I think you need more than this. I think you need a blending brush for the eye, but that's a good start. Because that little V gives you your outer V look that you can do right here. And kind of, you know, get the start going, but you still need a way to blend that. And that is not a blending brush, and neither was the other one kind of was, but I'm still feeling the need to blend this out, y'all. So I'm going to, just a little bit. But I gotta tell you, I'm not feeling the need to do a lot. And that's very good considering you got what you got. The other thing is mascara. Obviously, you need mascara. And I'm not going to even use a liner because I feel like this is fine. I feel like this is truly fine. I am going to just double check in some areas throughout the day to make sure, because of this highlighter, that it And you know what? I'm going to use my little flower seal the deal. Let me do that real quick. Ooh, I'm about out, y'all. There we go. Yeah, and that gives an all-over shimmer too. Very nice looking, very young and bright and blah, blah, blah. So what would I add to this? I would definitely add, obviously, I'm not going to add black liner, but I am going to add black mascara. I think this is a good deal. I would say this is a good purchase at this point, and I have to tell you the first round, because I didn't do it exactly how they said it, I didn't like it. But now that I actually did, this is a pretty good look, y'all. I mean, this is a good look.